You might want to trace an old call you did or an old call you received. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to see old call history on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. So basically, just click on your phone app right over here. And once you click on the Recents tab right beside the Contacts tab, you should be able to see all the recent calls that you did or the calls that you have received, and there is also a different tab for your missed calls. So once you scroll through here, you can see all the old call history that you did on your iPhone. However, this is only limited to 100 most recent calls, so the call history that you are looking for might not be in here. So the solution for that is you can just open up your Safari or any browser you have. And what we're going to search is your SIM card provider plus the term call history. So for example, you have AT&T. I'll just type in AT&T call history, search on that, and click on the official website information. And you can basically just read through the instructions, and you can then access your call history at your phone. So that is how you can basically see old call history on iPhone. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.